Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to About Phone. This is where the hidden toggle lives. Once you locate build number, tap it repeatedly, exactly 7 times, and watch for the countdown toast. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN or pattern to prove you own the device. This unlock step exists to prevent accidental access, so make sure you're ready before you tap and don't skip the confirmation when it appears. Once done, go back to the main settings menu, then into System or Additional Settings where Developer Options now appears. You'll toggle the master switch on. This makes the full list of controls visible. Enable USB debugging to allow ADB connections. You stay awake if you need the screen on while charging, and only enable OEM unlock if you plan to flash firmware. Make sure you understand each option. Some change device security and move deliberately through the list. To finish, confirm the toggles you changed and connect to your computer. When the RSA key prompt appears, you must accept it to enable debugging. If you ever worry about a trusted connection, revoke USB debugging authorizations to clear saved keys. If developer options don't appear, search settings for build number or developer or check system about on carrier-skinned phones. Some vendors move menus. Troubleshooting tip: reboot, re-enter about, and repeat the 7 taps if you don't see the toast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.